In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the vacation responder. If you've been away and set up automatic replies in Gmail, turning them off is quick and easy. I'll show you two simple ways: the fastest option using the banner at the top of your inbox, and a reliable method through Gmail settings if the banner isn't visible. First, the quick banner method. When your vacation responder is active, Gmail displays a yellow notice across the top of your inbox. This banner is your shortcut. Open Gmail in your browser and look at the very top of the message list. In that yellow strip, you'll see an option labeled End Now. Click End Now, and Gmail stops sending automated replies immediately. The banner should disappear right away, which is your confirmation that the responder is off. If you don't see the banner, it might be because you've scrolled down, the responder is already expired, or the page needs a quick refresh. In that case, use the settings method next. Now let's turn it off through settings. In the top right corner of Gmail, click the settings gear icon. From the panel that opens, select See All Settings to open the full settings page. Make sure you're on the General tab. This is where Gmail keeps the vacation responder controls. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the vacation responder section. You'll see the option to switch it off. Select Vacation Responder Off. This tells Gmail to stop sending any automatic replies going forward. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. That last click is essential. Without saving, your change won't apply. After saving, you'll return to your inbox and the responder will be disabled. A couple of quick tips to keep everything clean and clear. If you manage multiple Gmail accounts, double check you're in the correct inbox before making changes. Once the responder is off, new incoming emails will no longer receive automatic replies, but any messages that already went out can't be retracted. If you plan to use the responder again in the future, remember this settings path so you can revisit it easily. And if you're using a mobile app and don't see the banner, the settings route in a desktop browser is the most reliable way to confirm it's off. That's all there is to it. You can stop the responder instantly with the banner or turn it off through settings and save your changes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to your normal inbox flow.